Alex. Hi, kiddo. This is Alex. He likes to stick his feet up in the air. All the time. Always with the feet up. Straight up in the air. Hi, kiddo. Hi. Maybe we could get you to laugh like we did last night. Tickle your armpit. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. No. Hi. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Hi, tickle, tickle, tickle. No. Hi, kiddo.